So what's going on social media land group is, as you can tell, it's a little bit dark where I'm at right now. I'm just out and about doing some mobile mechanic work. I do a little bit of everything on the side, you see. It's because of Donald J. Trump being president that I stay so busy. Thank you, Mr. Trump, because not only have you ticked off the Democrats, but you've actually forced people to get off their butt and go get jobs by, just encouraging businesses to come back to the States. One company I hope comes back to manufacturing in the States is these tool companies. Because I tell you what, I like my tools. I got a wide variety of tools. Love shopping for tools, love using tools, use them at work, use them on the side, use them at home, use them everywhere. But there ain't nothing like American-made products. American-made products. Matter of fact, Stanley Black & Decker, they pretty much own the Craftsman name brand right now. So I'm going to sling this out here to the Stanley Black & Decker company. You need to start making Craftsman tools back in the USA again. I know you're doing the toolboxes right now, but we want you to bring back actual tools. You know, ratchets, wrenches, sockets. At least your ratchets and your sockets, or one of the two. Come on now. And I can think of a perfect location. Instead of going out here to these big cities and stuff, setting up shop, I know where you can set up shop at. And you'll have dedicated, loyal workers to come do the jobs. Go out to eastern Kentucky, out deep within the bluegrass state where the Hatfields and McCoys roam, and go out there and find you a place, biggest county in the state. All right, all these old coal miners and stuff. You're talking about people. Now, everybody looks at coal miners and they think, oh, well, the coal miners are out of work and the coal fields are going down and blah, blah, blah. And, you got liberals who hate coal miners and all that stuff. But I'll tell you something right now. The same people cries about coal miners are the same ones who aren't willing to go out here and get their hands dirty picking up a mop or a broom or cleaning a toilet, much less working hard labor jobs, risking their lives every day in and out to keep the lights on for everybody in this country. Day in and day out. That's what the coal mines did. Okay, that's what coal miners did. You won't find a better workforce than you'll find out in eastern Kentucky. Because people out there, they were raised with values and hard work, ethics, respect, rationale, all the good qualities that you find all across America. The qualities that built that country, you can find that in Kentucky. I'll give Kentucky that much credit. That's why we was the only state during the Civil War that remained neutral. Because we was the only ones that was like, listen, y'all need to settle down, both sides. Y'all both driving us crazy. And then, of course, Hatfield McCoy feud happened, See, we handle our own stuff. Everybody out from Kentucky, from the bluegrass state, we handle our own stuff, so... But the point is, we want to see more jobs coming back to America. And it's great seeing some of these jobs that is coming back to America and these manufacturing jobs and stuff. But Craftsman used to be a household name brand. All right. Whenever Craftsman started sending their stuff overseas, outsourcing everything because the government regulated them to death and they couldn't make no money on it. They run Sears into the ground practically. They run Kmart into the ground practically, The American tool company that was in so many homes across the US of A, it just suddenly vanished. You stopped seeing Craftsman anywhere. Stopped seeing it anywhere. And who took their place? Well, Kobalt, come in and started doing their thing. Of course, Husky, Cornwell, all these other places. SK tools are the best tools on earth. Period. Next to them is Snap-on, both American-made products. But for the average everyday American, the tool of choice for most people across the country was Craftsman. And once they started shipping things out of country, then, Craftsman stopped mattering anymore. They didn't have good quality anymore. Because they outsourced the heritage of the name brand. People loved buying it because it was made in the USA. And it's a good quality tool. Everybody used it. They passed it on to their kids. People grew up on it, lived on it, made money on it, fed their families on it. So... you send it overseas and then your stock starts plummeting. I guarantee you, y'all start bringing stuff back when it says made in the USA on it, and the stocks are going to go up. Because if it says made in the USA on it and it's a reasonable price, I will buy it above anything else. Period. So, in the event that Stanley Black & Decker decides that they might someday bring back Craftsman tools, manufacturing jobs here in the U.S., why don't y'all go out to eastern Kentucky, smack dab in the middle of Hatfield-McCoy country, find you a little place somewhere to build you a factory, and let's start making some tools great again. How about that? That's my challenge to you, Stanley Black & Decker. You got a great workforce, great people, love the quality of the tools. They'll do a good job for you. Think about it.